One of the greatest myths I've heard about the trading industry that I personally preached about in the past is the idea of there is a perfect time to trade. Well, from looking at our perspective in the trading industry, I would say there is nothing like a perfect time to trade. The only thing available is a perfect time to enter the market. What I mean by perfect time to enter the market is a perfect time to click on that buy or sell button. So now the big question comes out: if there is no perfect time to trade, when should someone consider trading? Well, in this particular video, I'm going to share with you two things you should consider when it comes to when you should consider trading, because you are different from me. What you trade is different from me. That's why in this particular video, I'll share with you the things you should consider to decide when you want to trade and when you don't want to trade. So with that already said, hello guys, if this is your first time on this channel, welcome to my channel and welcome to Forex Trade. On this channel, I mainly focus on how you and I can actually make money through crypto, forex, and stock trading. So more of everything trading. So if you want more videos like this, why not smash that subscribe button, like this video, and tell me what you feel down in the comment section. Now, first of all, let's discuss the reason why I said there is no perfect time to trade. The reason why I said there is no perfect time to trade is that every single minute from Monday to Friday, the market is moving. Every single hour, the market is moving. And as long as the market is moving, profit opportunity is always there, and an opportunity to also make loss is always there, which means that what? A trading opportunity is always presented at every single minute that the market moves. So if the market is moving and always presenting opportunity, what is the idea that there's a perfect time to trade? Now, you will say the reason why people say there's a perfect time to trade is simply because during that period, there's more liquidity in the market, meaning the market move more. Well, the truth is that the market move really well regardless of the section. What actually affects the market movement is the economy of that particular pair you are trading, and when there are more transactions going on within that particular region. So if you are a trader out there who is stuck on this idea of there's a perfect time to trade, I believe you yourself that you are watching this video, you probably sat some days and wonder why is it that you get most trading opportunities, whether in the Asia session or the London session or that particular session you are advised not to trade. But then when you get to the session you are advised to trade, you normally don't get good trading opportunities. Well, this is the same reason why I said there's no perfect time to trade, because over the years, some things I trade actually made me to realize that there's always a profit opportunity and there is no perfect time to trade. But the perfect time to trade boils down to the two things that I'm about sharing with you. So now let's get down into that particular two things that should determine when you trade. Now, the first thing that should determine when you trade totally depends on the pair you are trading. Like for me personally, I trade more of Japanese yen and New Zealand dollar pair. And we all know that these pairs move more during late night rather than day period as well. So when it comes to the idea of there's a perfect time to trade, one thing I'll let you know that there's no perfect time to trade, but what actually determines is actually the pair you are trading. Because the Japanese yen move really well regardless of the time. I trade it during the Asia session, I trade it during London session, I trade it during New York session. The only thing that determines when I trade it and when I don't trade it totally depends on the point number 2 that I will share with you soon. So if you are a trader out there who is stuck on this idea that there's a perfect time to trade, one thing I advise you to do is that there's literally no perfect time to trade, but the only thing that should determine when you consider trading should understand that particular pair you are trading and understand when it moves the most. Because I'm trading Japanese yen, and Japanese yen falls under Tokyo session, which is the Asia period. So if I'm trading this particular pair, you don't expect me to see a trading opportunity during the Asia period and not take it. Because if I see it and don't take it, simply means that what? I saw something play out, but I avoided it. That is the reason why I said there's no perfect time to trade. But the reason you should determine when to trade should totally depends on the particular pairs you are trading. Like from when I started trading to date, I make most of my profit during the Asia session. Yes, I'm going to be honest with you, because I trade more of Japanese yen and New Zealand dollar and also the Australian dollar. So because of this market I trade, I get a lot of good opportunity during the Asia session, even more than compared to the London and New York session as well. That's why if you are a trader who is connected to me on WhatsApp, you realize that I'm always active during late night. The reason I'm always active is that those are the times where I do my setup and look for my opportunities. Because I can enter trade at any given time of the night. I don't really care. I don't even look at the spread size that much. Once my pair is moving and it presents me an opportunity, I take it. And I also advise you as a trader out there, don't think there's a perfect time to trade. Just consider when that particular pair moves the most. Like for example, if you are someone who trade more of euro and dollar and then GBP pair, then you could consider looking at the London and New York session. or even look at the Asia session. If you see opportunity, just take it. Because if you say you are waiting for maybe the London session to meet, maybe probably by then the market has hit your TP. Now you have no trading opportunity, so you will be trying to force out a trading opportunity, and forcing trade, you and I know, is very bad. That's why I come with this idea that there's nothing like a perfect time to trade, but the only perfect time to trade is when the market is moving, and the market moves 24/7 from Monday to Friday. That means that what? There's nothing like a perfect time to trade, but just stay up. When you get chance to trade, if you see an opportunity, take it. If you don't see an opportunity, leave it. The point number 2 here, I'll simply have for you, simply take trade when an opportunity plays out. So what do I mean by when an opportunity play out? If you have a trading setup and the trading opportunity get triggered, just take it. There's no need in saying, oh, I don't trade this session, so I'm not going to take this opportunity. This idea actually led me to lose a lot of good trading opportunities, because as of then, when I was focused on this idea of the London and New York session is the best time to trade, I would do my setup and then set my alerts. Maybe during late night when I'm up doing other stuff, my trade will get triggered, but then I won't take the opportunity. Why am I not taking the opportunity? Because that is not the best time for me to trade. Let me just wait till the London session. Because a lot of traders have been fed with this idea that during the Asia session, the whole market is fully manipulated. So the market is controlled by the banks and the big guys. And the honest truth is that the market gets controlled by these people at every single minute of the day. Like every single hour of the day, the market literally gets controlled by these people. Like today, I was actually trading USD JPY. Whilst trading the market, if you trade USD JPY, probably you use the 5 minute or 1 minute time frame. You realize today that you saw what we call high manipulation, because the market was just keep fluctuating up and down, and you can clearly see that no, this market is not moving on normal circumstance. It's being controlled by something going on somewhere else. Like I was even on trading view community when someone says all the figures, everything coming out from the news, and every single information printed on the chart right now is fully false. Yes, I supported the person simply because the way the market was moving. And if you're someone who have been trading USD JPY and then you go over to check the 1 minute and 5 minute time frame, you realize that the way the market was moving today was totally something different. It's happened often, but today on was something a bit different. So I had to even close trade before I get to my good profit opportunity. Like I was taking out every single opportunity, every single profit opportunity that I get on the way, because I wasn't understanding the way the market was moving. So the point number 2 I have for you here is simply don't miss a good trading opportunity because they told you that the London or New York session is the best time to trade. One thing I advise you to do is that once you have time and you made a setup and your setup got triggered, take that trading opportunity. Don't let it go. There's a reason why that opportunity was presented to you at that time. Take it. Like today, personally, I took I was more of scalp trading today. So I took about 4 positions, I guess, 5 trading positions today, which is my highest that I've done. No, I've done more than that in a day when I'm scalping. But once I was doing it, I started scalping since was it 2 a.m. Ghanaian time? Yeah, since 2 a.m. Ghanaian time, because I was more of scalping the news going on. So since 2 a.m. Ghanaian time, I started from the Australian dollar, Japanese yen, and then gradually took some positions there, 3 positions there. Then I move over to USD JPY early 8 a.m. Ghanaian time, and also took some opportunities there. Like I was seeing the opportunity, so I don't see any reason why I should let go of it. That's why one thing I advise you to do is that don't believe in this idea of there's a perfect time to trade. Have your trading setup. If your setup gets triggered and look at it and it plays according to your trading rules, why not take that opportunity? Why let it go? Like get in if there's no much volatility there, but now you've gotten your entry at the right point where you should have entered. So whenever liquidity comes in and whenever the market starts pumping up, you will still be in profit. Why? Because you've taken the trade when your setup got played out. Because probably if you had let that opportunity go, maybe during the time whereby your trading session come, your TP is already smashed and gone, or you might go and take the trade from a totally wrong point just because it's playing according to your earlier setup, but not at your entry position. You might just jump on it. So that is simply the idea I have for you. Like there's no perfect time to trade. I've given you the 2 things that you should consider whenever you are considering when to trade. The first one is that consider when that your particular pair is moving. And if you want to get in when it's only moving very toughly, then you can get in. And secondly, more importantly, take trade when your strategy plays out. That is the best thing you can do for yourself. So that already said, hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Like this video so that YouTube will get to show it to more people. And also drop me a comment down in the video description so that YouTube will share this video to more people. And you can also drop your video request down below. And for those of you who are new here, you can also join our Telegram channel with a link that will be available in this video comment, in this video description. So that already said, have a nice day. More trading videos coming your way. Bye.